Good morning, welcome to the desert. We're just getting up for the day. We got here yesterday afternoon and today we are going rock hounding, and I also have some seriously delicious camping meals to make here at camp. So it's just gonna be a really fun day full of the outdoors and good food, which is what my channel is all about. Nick and I love to rock hound. So this is something that we've been doing for years, and there's so many different rock hounding sites that we've been slowly checking off. And then we also have a little rock tumbler at home. So we tumble and polish some of the rocks, and it's just like one of our many fun little hobbies that we do. But we're looking for obsidian, which we actually found quite a bit of obsidian yesterday, which I'll show you when I get up. And then we are gonna hopefully find some topaz and other crystals, and it's just gonna be a really fun day outdoors. So first up, coffee out of the tent, make some really good breakfast, and then we're gonna go rock hounding. For breakfast, I'm doing a very traditional breakfast, I'd say for me. I have some homemade sourdough bread. I'm doing sourdough bread, I would say like twice, maybe 3 times a week now, because I just love it, with a fried egg. And that's essentially what I'm making today. Ooh. Look at this. So easy. I need to put a little more salt. We kind of organized camp, packed up a few things, and now we're going to hit the road. We're just going to drive a little bit down the road to one of the rock hounding sites and start hopefully finding some crystals. We are in the general area, and now we're hiking around. I got all my rock hounding stuff in here and trying to figure out, well, what we're looking for, what level of rock it is going to be in, what type of rock it's going to be in. So it is quite a treasure hunt because we just don't know yet. So we're thinking this area behind us is going to be a good place to start, and then we'll see.
5 steps later.
I literally just found this in, like, on the top. I think we're in the right area. Look at that. It almost looks fake. It's so tiny. We got to this area that we thought might look good. We took a quick preliminary search around, and I think we're on the right track. So I've already found some really cool little pieces. And in this area in particular, you're allowed to use hand tools only. So we brought a few things for that. But then I realized I did forget my safety glasses. So I won't really be using any of that. But I started to look around just on the surface with my shovel and just mixing some of the dirt and rocks. And that's where I was finding some really cool pieces. And so I think we're just going to stick with that strategy. Actually, we're not really going to use any of our tools and just look for some of these amazing pieces that are a little bit more on the surface that you might kind of pass by looking for bigger pieces, but some of these are amazing for jewelry. I'm thinking this would be a really cool necklace. So far, so good. I think we're just gonna have a relaxing time kind of looking on the surface for things instead of breaking apart rocks and stuff. So that's the plan. Look at that. We are headed back to the car because hunger has finally won over. It is super addicting and I feel like I could do this all day, but we're gonna go have some lunch at the car that I just packed and then head back to camp, and that's it. For lunch, I brought a couple apples. I have some cheddar and sour cream chips. And then in the cooler at home, I made some chicken salad. I've done this a bunch in videos and camping because it's just one of my favorite lunches. This delicious chicken salad, all ready to go, no cook, high in protein. And so it's gonna be really just a simple little lunch. And I'm so hungry. After rock hounding, we were both really tired. I think just like being out in the sun too all day. So we got back to camp and hung out in the tent to just relax, take a nap. And now it is dinner time and I am making some bacon ranch burgers. So excited. We're gonna grill them over the fire and just relax on the campfire. I have some homemade ranch, some cooked bacon that I cooked at home, and it's just gonna be a really easy, delicious meal. Got the fire going right here, and I'm just going to shape some beef burgers. And then, like I said, I'm doing a bacon ranch burger. So this is some homemade ranch dressing that I made, but it's a little bit thicker. And it has so many fresh herbs in there, garlic, and it's really good. I'm gonna put that on the buns here. I might grill up some onion on the grill, and then I have some already cooked bacon. So I cooked the bacon at home. I'm just gonna probably throw this on there just to warm it up a little bit, and that's really going to be it. Some cheddar cheese as well, I guess. But it's gonna be really simple, and I made this at home for me and Nick a while ago, and it was so good, so I knew I wanted to make it camping. This looks so good. Here we go. It's so good. The ranch with the bacon. that was just such a dusty, fun day in the desert with good food. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to check out some of the other videos I have on my channel. Put them over here. All that camping, some good food, all that kind of stuff. I have some other rock hounding videos. So there's a lot on the channel. And if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you